If you're like most property managers, it feels like every day you're faced with a tough decision. Do you invest more time and money showering your residents with endless benefits and delivering a 5-star maintenance experience at the expense of profit? Or do you protect your already tight margins at the expense of your reputation? We don't think you should have to choose, which is why at Latchel, we've developed a platform that helps you deliver more benefits and better maintenance while also increasing revenue. When maintenance requests pop up, the Latchel intake and triage process saves everyone wasted hours going back and forth on the phone. If there's an emergency, we're on it day or night. And once the work order is created, our fully customizable workflows let you choose the busy work you want to automate, so you can focus on the most impactful work that requires your expertise. That means you're always in the loop without always having to be on call. But Latchel is more than just a maintenance platform. We've also curated a vast array of benefits you can shower your residents with from day one. Everything from damage reimbursement to lockout coverage and more, all in an easy-access residence hub. The best part is, our pricing is structured for profit. So by passing on a modest benefits charge to residents at 3x your cost or more, you just unlocked a whole new revenue stream with every single door. You shouldn't have to choose between happy residents and a healthy bottom line. And with Latchel, you don't have to.